Alright guys, we got a package. I don't know what that sounds like, kind of scary, but I don't even know what's inside. Well guys, welcome back to another episode. We have a mail call from, it looks like a Darren Jones. Yeah, I don't know what's inside. It sounds scary, but there's only one way to find out, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, here we go. Oh, we got some info. Mustang Kid Diecast. All right, straight from Michigan. I have no idea, and if we had any conversation about whatever's in here, I apologize. But the name doesn't sound familiar, but Mustang Kid Diecast, that's a name I can live with. That is awesome. So let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, it's a whole bunch of loose stuff. Let's see. Oh, we have a letter here. Maybe this will clear it up. All right. Hello, Mustang Hunter. I thought you would like some of my cars from my collection. Thank you for your service. I have a car for the track. Nice. Once again, thank you for your service. Oh, my channel is Mustang Kid for your viewers. I am on YouTube, Facebook, etc. Nice. Let me know what you need and I will be glad to send it your way. Yours truly, Mustang Kid, aka Darren Jones. Dude, that's awesome, man. That is so cool. All right, I was totally not expecting this. This is an awesome surprise here. Let's see. Oh, first one up top, we have the BMW. Here we go. What is this, a 73 something? Yep, BMW 3.0 CSL race car. Ooh, that's a good one. Let's see. I don't know which one his race car is for the track, but yeah, let's see what does he have in here. Oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch of cars. All right, let's see. Oh man, got a whole bunch of goodies in here. All right, here we go. Try not to get this lid to flip on anything. All right, we're just gonna pull this out willy-nilly. 350Z. This looks like a Maisto. Yep. Maisto Nissan 370. Should have figured by the fish hook style lights. There we go. Nice pearl white. I wonder if Bob can do a custom out of that one. Oh, we got some Ferraris and some exotics. Here we go. Check that out. Got the Ferrari. What is this? The Maranello. Ferrari 456. There we go. That's a good one. Little bumper scuff, but still, man, this is metal on metal. That is heavy. All right, let's see. What else do we have? Oh, this is a... Uh-oh. Something came off here. I think this is the front grille to it. I'm sure we can work that out. Oh, look at that. You got the little rumble seat in the back. I don't know if this was a custom repaint. Oh yeah, we're going to have to fix this thing. But this is a Tootsie toy. There we go. Model A. Ford 1929. Man, that's some vintage stuff right there. Next up, we got a Lamborghini, another Maisto release. Some of Maisto actually does a really good job with their cars. Some of them. This one looks really nice. The Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. There we go. Love that color. Very cool. All right. Ooh, we got an old Z28 right here. There we go. We got the Tusky Deco red roll cage. Ooh, that's a nice one. I haven't seen this one. Look at that. You got a little road rash here. Man, these have such good potential for some customs. Even a like junkyard build. You can do one of these. That's a pretty cool release. Let's see, when was this? D43? Oh, that's a pretty early on. 2010 maybe? Nice. We have the Coney. This is the Ford RS, right? The Ford Focus. Yep, Ford Focus RS with the Coney livery. There we go. It's a good one. All right, and then we have the AE86. This is an old school tooling right here. So when you had one single post rivet, Toyota A86 Corolla. There we go. I've never seen this one. Nice pearl white. That's pretty clean, I will say. That's awesome, man. Alright, then we got the Corvette gasser. That is a good one. Definitely a good one. Bob loves doing customs with these. Oh yeah. I think I might hand him this one to do a custom with. Jeez, man, these things are... Some of these gassers, man, I know a lot of people don't like gassers, but I definitely do like how they look. We got the BMW right here. This is the M4 Pearl White. I used to have this one. There we go. Or Z4M, not M4, Z4M. Nice. Man, you gotta let me know which one is your racer. I mean, you have a plethora of cars here. Here is the Integra, the GSR with the KNW. That's an old one. Definitely used to have this one as well. Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. Oh yeah. Man, I might, yeah, if you don't mind, man, I might have Bob do some customs with these. Here we go, Honda S2000 in the house. Love the yellow on yellow. That looks really good. Oh yeah, that's nice. Man, some of these I don't have anymore, so it's kind of cool to see them back into the collection a little bit. Here is this one. This one I believe is a Volkswagen. Yep, SP2. I know Walter over at the Hotline of Diecast would like this one. He appreciates his V-dubs. Very nice. Got the MC5s on there. Super clean. Alright. Ooh, here we go. SVX. Nice. I think I have one of these in the collection. Not this color though. I think I have it in red. Oh, that's a great one. I can add it with the other one. Nice pearl white. Never understood the functionality of those small windows on the SVXs or even the DeLoreans. Like, I get it, but not really. Alright, let's see. We got an old Porsche. This looks like a Corgi casting. Maybe Matchbox? Yeah, super fast. Porsche Turbo. Man, that is in really good shape. Jeez. The fact that it survived this box rolling around and not chipping anything really tells you about the quality of their paint. Man, that's in good condition. Alright, let's see. Oh, we got the Prelude. Here we go. Nice. That's a good one too. I do have this already in the collection, but it's always good to have one to customize. Do some wheels on it. Oh yeah. What else do we have? Oh, 300ZX. Here we go. Red interior. Oh, that looks good. I don't think I ever found this one when I was collecting all the 300s. Man, that is just a car for its time. Really is. I like that. Alright, let's see what else. We got Dodge Viper. This one, I do have this one. This color is very nice. Purple metallic. These are the more modern 3-spokes that they came out with, the Advan styles. Nice. Alright, I'm going to have to set things here because I don't have enough table room. 308 GTB in the house. Look at that one. Good old Ferrari, man. The old black walls. Race Bait 308. Don't have this color. That's a good one. See a Chevelle wagon here, 1970. Got the gold metallic. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. I do have that color. We have the Aston. This is a, oh man, it's a nice charcoal. DB5. What did this come out of? This was a, is this a standalone? That's a very nice looking Aston, it really is. I like this one better than the silver. That color's nice. Alright, let's see, which one is this? Ooh, got a Cougar. Is this the Eliminator? Yeah, it is. 69 Cougar Eliminator. I don't remember the wing on there, but man, that is nice. Alright, let's see. What else do we have in here? Oh, here we go. Got the custom Mustang in this pearlescent grayish purple. Do love this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. God, I love that purple in it. That is a beauty for sure. Let's see, what else? Ford GT Race. Here we go. I just sent this one to Pussycat. Now we have another one. So it just made its way back into the collection. Nice. Alright, and then we have the Baja Bone Shaker. Whoa! To be fair, that should be expected. Should have known better. Alright, what have we shown so far? Viper, Cougar, got that one. Here is the GT40 in the Gulf livery. I can't believe I'm doing this on the floor. We're improvising here, guys. Alright, let's see. We have this one, the RS2000. This was a pretty recent release. Nice. The Honda Civic. I remember this one. I think my buddy Chad would like that. He is the Honda guy. Okay, got the 308, the Baja Bone Shaker. That was the tipping for that box. Man, I haven't seen this casting in a while. Alright, there's the Aston. Oh, KDR 30. Watch out, that's a good one. Nice. That's sweet. Oh, CRX, here we go. The Rastafarian colors. At least that's what it reminds me of. Got a little styrofoam in the grill. We'll get that out later. But there's that one. Nice. Let's see this one. Ooh. Oh, is this the Warner? It's the Aurora. Usually this was like the Warner, but yeah, it's just the Aurora. Nice. 5-dot. Don't have that one in the collection. There's the GT Race. Porsche. Haven't seen this in a while. This was the Outlaw. This is Magnus. What's his name? Walker. Ah, I forgot. 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. It's a good one. Here. Oh wow, I haven't seen this in a long time. Pearl White. This was the Fast and the Furious one, I believe. The Astana Hato. Very cool fantasy. Yeah, I haven't seen that tooling in a while. We have, this is clean, G37. This is the first. I didn't even know they did one of these. That is a nice blue. Oh my gosh. And it's right-hand drive? Dang, okay. Then we have this one. This was the Aston Martin, what is it? V12 Speedster. There we go. Nice white metallic on this. This was definitely one I didn't appreciate, but when you look at it outside of the blister, it's actually a pretty sweet car. Alright. Uh-oh. Check that out. Oh, I have never seen this one. Dude, that is... I have never seen this one. Oh, I gotta do some research. Super GT. This is a Mustang wagon. You do have a couple variations of this, but I've never seen it in blue. Oh, dude, that's nice. It's vintage. You guys know I love it. Alright, and then we have this one. We do have this in the collection as well. Little used and abused Datsun 240Z. Then we have the MR2. This is left-hand drive, headlight down from Matchbox. Wonder if this is one I need. I know I collected all the variants. Headlight up, right-hand drive, left-hand drive. Nice. The Lamborghini Countach. There we go. It's the pace car version. Indonesia. So this was a multi-pack car. And then we have, ooh, the Porsche. I haven't seen this in a while. GT2. There we go. Porsche 911 GT2. Beautiful orange. And then out of the chaos, we have two more here. We have the RX-7 in the Falcon Deco. That's a good one. Haven't seen that in a while either. Oh, look at that floor. It looks good. And then the final one is the Thunderbird. There we go. That thing is awesome. I need to see Bob do a custom with this one, especially with that hood scoop. Man. Alright, so that looks to be everything. Man, that shook me there when it fell off the... Let's go ahead and clean up a little bit. Alright, so typically I don't end up finishing my episode on the floor, but I don't want to pick all these up. We have an awesome variety of cars sent in by Mustang Kid Diecast. That is so cool, man. Thank you so much for this. Let me know which one you want as a racer on the track. And I do want to send you something in return. That is just so cool to get a surprise package like this, especially when it comes from your collection. I think it's really, really cool. You have some really cool ones that I'm stoked to add to the collection, like this SVX, the Mustang, the Porsche even, and then of course this one right here. That is awesome. That is so cool. I mean, a good variety of stuff. The KDR 30, Ford GT Race, the 308 Race Bait. Just from looking at this, it looks like you have an amazing collection. Great taste in cars, from muscle to exotics to imports. Yeah, that's very cool. I'd like to send you a couple Mustangs for your collection. Yeah, I will have to work on that. You'll be in a list of other packages I need to send out, but definitely huge thanks for putting this together and sending it, man. That's so cool. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any info on some of these, especially when it comes to that Mustang, or anything I went over or showcased from this awesome package. So thank you so much, and until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.